Hello beautiful people, today I'm doing an unboxing, and if you'd like to see more of unboxing in this channel, please don't forget to comment down below. So today I'm doing an unboxing of a Satrap Juice Extractor, and one of my resolutions this year is to live healthy, to live taking organic foods, bio. Here we call them bio in my side of Switzerland where I stay, on the French side of Switzerland. So the good thing about this Satrap Juice Extractor, it is affordable, budgetable, and the interesting and good news about this Satrap Juice Extractor is that it comes with 2 jugs. Most juice extractors come with 1 jug, and this one, the interesting part of it is that you just need to wash your vegetables or your fruits and fix them in the gadget where you are going to extract them with the peels. You don't need to peel off your peels or your vegetables. So the 2 jugs, one of it, there's a system with them. If you I don't have time to do a short example for how I'll extract my fruits or vegetables, but I'll do another video. Stay tuned in this channel. I'll do another video of how extracted my juices, because from now I'll not be buying any more juices. I'll be doing my homemade juices and homemade shots. So stay tuned and don't miss to watch I think in my next video I'll do an example of what I've done, what kind of juice I've extracted or vegetable. So yes, so I can't wait for you guys to see how I managed to use this interesting Satrap Juice gadget. So guys, as you can see, it comes with all these gadgets. The 2 jugs, as I told you, one is for the fresh juice from the extractor, and the other one picks up all the peels of your vegetables or your fruits. So this is how it is. Satrap Juice Extractor. Wow. So I think that's the motor. So let's unbox and try and assemble it together. It is an electrical juice extractor, guys. Yeah, as you can see the cable. Yeah, and I really love the color too. I really love the color. So it also comes with a small brush and the manual, very updated. So I'm assembling it, very easy to assemble too, and that is the one that comes up where you push in your fruits. The place for putting the fruits is not so big, but yeah, and then yeah,